How exciting! Your Prima arrived. So let's open the box and let's see what's inside. First, you have a quick start guide with all the important steps to start. Then we have prepared a toolkit for you. There is a towel inside to clean, and you have 2 portafilters, a single and a double, and a choice of filter baskets, and a beautiful Victoria Arduino tamper. And finally, a cleaning collection to keep your machine clean and tidy, so your espressos and your espresso-based milk beverages will always be super clean and delicious. Have fun with your new machine. The installation of the Prima is very easy. You just need to plug it into the power supply. Afterwards, you will have to fill up the water tank. So you will open the lid here, you will take out the empty tank, and you will fill it up with filtered water. That's important to have a great tasting espresso, as well to keep the machine in a good working condition. You will then place the water tank into the machine, close the lid, and you will have to switch the machine on at the bottom right of the machine here. You wait for the machine to go into the standby mode, and then you just have to press these 2 buttons for 5 seconds to wake it up. Prima totally reminds me of the World Barista Championship and my participation, because it's a professional machine that allows me to make the same high precision, delicious espresso as on stage for the 4 sensory judges. Secondly, you might know I have been a fashion photographer, so I like beautiful design and aesthetics. And when you look at this machine, it does not only just make tasty coffee, it's just a beautiful design object. And the third thing, now I have 2 kids, so I have to be careful about my actions, because I have to be careful of the planet, because I also want my kids to enjoy this world the same way as I do. So I really like that the Prima is a sustainable coffee machine. High quality coffee is becoming a lifestyle. Artisanal coffee, gourmet coffee, or how I used to call it, specialty coffee, is growing around the world. And it's not only about the sensory experience, it's about really enjoying coffee together with friends, the family, and your community. So coffee is lifestyle. Some people, they cannot wake up and start the day without the daily caffeine kick. Other people, they want to reward themselves after a long meeting, after, for example, running a long time, so they just want to enjoy themselves. Some people, they even believe there is no life without coffee. It's totally unthinkable for them. The Prima is a very powerful machine that can make very tasty, precise espresso. On the other hand, it also allows us to do good to the planet and to our community, which is very important. So the new Prima comes with new innovative technologies, so it will be more energy efficient, and it will also reduce our carbon footprint. Prima, you don't need to be a highly skilled championship barista. It's so easy to make a high quality beverage on a daily basis. So I love to prepare every morning a creamy, tasty, super sweet flat white.
Holding your breath still, you jump the fire. We'll just sit and wait till you know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it. Don't try to tell me you got the wrong guy. See me fly, you know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it. Don't try to tell me you got the wrong guy. Look at them now, all of the noise they make, counting the cards to one. Queen of hearts never breaks. Falling asleep here might just take a while. Trying not to grind your teeth, dreaming to touch my style. Well,
And with the new app for your mobile phones, it's even easier to make even greater espressos. You can set your own recipe by choosing the brew temperature or the amount of water you would like to use. And then you can store those recipes, you can share them, and that will allow you to learn and to grow together by being connected to the entire coffee community. And that will help us to make coffee even better.